Labs project, and today we're working on this Golf. And what we're trying to do is, like, if the previous, I don't know if you said it or not, but we're going to remove the rear wiper of that because that was a bit longer than this. So this is the one we needed because we took the spoiler of this car. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a 30mm sponge just to loosen the nut. And so we're not taking it off, we're just going to loosen it enough so it just stays there like so. And what we're going to do is, there is a tool which is called a wiper arm puller tool, or it's called a battery terminal puller tool. So that's what you need. And make sure you just grease every WD-40 because over the time it just got so stuck in it. What we're going to do is be careful with the windscreen. Just hook it in here somehow, squeeze it in, and once you squeeze it, we're going to start tightening this up. So the plan is that the hook part gets somewhere near, but please be careful with the windscreen as well. You don't want to be smashing the windscreen apart. So what we're going to do is push them underneath and force as much as we can, but at the same time to be careful with the windscreen. Just loosen this up a bit. Alright, so plan is, hopefully, if you want it dead straight, if you want an angle, try to get it straight, dead straight. So we got the top bit going into the bolt, so it stabilizes off the back straight into hook into the wiper, and then we're going to tighten it. There's a 19mm in this tool. There you can see the arm. So if I hold it, because it's twisting yourself now, so you should lock it in here now, in the seat. There you go. When you hear that pop, you know it's come off. So now what you do, just take this off. Get that way. Just take this off. Again, just please make sure you don't force too much of this into the windscreen. Yeah, last thing you want to do is the windscreen crack because the motor and that is connected to the windscreen, and this is quite fragile. So now if you loosen this up, hopefully, there you go. So over the time, if you see this, look, see that? So corrosion. Corrosion is stuck in here. So what you do is WD-40 it, so just let it penetrate for a little while, say for about half an hour, and then you can do the tool. It makes life so much easier, but obviously we didn't do that. So tools that we got were this arm puller, and it's a 90mm bolt. This is an old school one, it's been around for ages. Yeah. And then this is a 30mm for the bolt on the wiper, and then you got a socket with 90mm that goes on top here. And now we can put this wiper on the other car. So the whole purpose of us getting the wiper is because the wiper that's originally on here, because we got the extended spoiler, it was hitting on the bottom over here. There's a bit of mark, and the reason was that it wasn't the wiper blade, it was actually the wiper arm. So look at this now, look at that, if I see this motion without putting, yeah, so now it goes up and it clears. I look at there's a gap, my finger gap. The other one was actually literally rubbing onto here, that's how long that one was. Yeah. And then you just turn it around like that, so now see there's a clearance now. So this has actually got a smaller arm compared to the other one, the wiper arm. Yeah. Someone did message saying that, why don't you just change the blade instead of that, but we measured the arm was even smaller as well. Yeah, so it wasn't, the blade was normal, but it's the arm that's smaller. Yeah, so now we're just gonna bolt this on. As we're going to bolt this on, it's going to pressurize it in and it's going to go down. It'll tighten it up. Yeah, so we'll just... That's the 13mm. That's much the tight I can get on this at the moment. That's tight enough as it is. So as the motor's going to keep turning, I reckon it'll get sunken, and we'll try to tighten it more if it needs to be. But at the moment, that is quite stiff. And that's how you take a wiper off without damaging the screen or without damaging the wiper motor. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you in the next one.